Bear with me. Late in the night, I go through the glean and I see this. Jamaicans will be involved in building of parliamentary complex. This are the Prime Minister respond to people outrage because them announced this week that a new parliament building complex are going to be built by the Chinese. By the Chinese. Now, John, like this make me shame. This make me shame for being a Jamaican. This make me shame for why do we have universities in a Jamaica? Why we have UTech up there so up a Papine? Why we have you across the street? Why we have all of the school them? Why we have all of the high school them in a Jamaica? And what we are raised? We are raised people with finan and dumb brain. Appear handicap in our school them. Appear handicap we educate in a Jamaica. Why can't Jamaicans be the ones to be why can't Jamaicans be the only ones involved in the construction of any new complex being built? Why do you have to involve the Chinese? Why we have to have people to come in and it's like we love paternalism. We love when people boil we up and expose us as incompetent, because that is what this is. Like what else can we see this as? Like how can we have a prime minister just come in and bringing in Chinese to build a new parliamentary complex? Do they even need a new parliamentary complex? But they are here building a new one and talking. Let me read some of this too. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has responded to concerns from Jamaican architects, assuring that local skills will be involved in the Chinese-led construction of the new parliamentary complex at Euro Circle in downtown Kingston. Now, this is just what do you call it now? It's just a failed policy. It's just a failed policy. Everything that we need, we seek outside help as if we don't know to do anything. It's like we don't have the will to do anything ourselves. Like something as basic as constructing a fucking building, and this man really bringing in Chinese to that. Listen, before the next 10 years done, the Chinese are going to own Jamaica. They might own Jamaica, and Jamaican people, in fact, African people are done second class citizens in Jamaica to Chinese people already, to pretty much everyone else in Jamaica. You understand? And Jamaicans are going to be second class citizens to these people. There's no doubt about it. It's like, why do we have these incompetent leaders? Like, why we can't have people who have pride, who have self-pride? I will understand Andrew Holness is you are a millionaire, and so yeah, this brother probably don't even get the full grasp of what the Jamaican identity is supposed to be, or what have you. Like this embarrassing to me. This embarrassing to me. Like why is this a Chinese led project? The highway them not enough. We don't feel enough shame that we need to have China come build highway in Jamaica. That not shameful enough for no. We have to have them build every single thing else. You think them people them not do nothing for free? There's nothing them do in Jamaica for free. So anything them do in Jamaica go benefit them. So why not just X them out of the picture and just until we can train our people to do these things, we do it out. Simple as that. Simple as fucking that. why every fucking time we need something, we have to stretch out with hand and beg people to come help it. Like, it just, it tiring for our spirit for see it. And this man just sit down look like a big jackass. Like a big jackass, and you're the prime minister of the country. And this is where you should have called off this project right then and there. Executive order. This project is off the table. There's no Chinese-led construction of any parliamentary building. I could not even go focus on the fact of what is the necessity of a new parliamentary building in such a poor country. What the current building not big enough for no? Or not pretty enough for no? Or you go somebody else country and see a nicer building, so you want that to feel like say you dey on the same level with them people there. When it's obvious that if your people in your country, if you not trust them enough to make them construct a new parliamentary building, obviously you are not, as a leader, on the same level as those people in those other countries who have the big posh parliamentary building them. So you just stick to the evil, settle with the little bit what you have until you can figure out how to strengthen your country, how to build confidence in yourself and your people, how to give them the resources, train them, and make them have all the knowledge and all of the resources to build the building what you want. Until you can make sure say your people can do that, you shouldn't be championing the building of no new parliamentary building. I see when the last prime minister did a fly on private jet just because them see other world leader fly on private jet. No one enough upon yourself and pretend like say we are live what we pretty much do are live above our means. And that is what we're not supposed to do. That is, we must set by example and live within our means until we generate the wealth and we generate the knowledge and all of the capabilities to do for ourselves. We keep on and sell out ourselves short. So when the Chinese them do it now, what the Jamaican them learn? When the billions don't spend to build the building now, right? And the Jamaican architects get the crumbs, get the dregs of what's left. What them are gonna do? You know what happened to them? The United States, a company in the United States, I go see them talent and just offer them a nice fat sum of money for come at the United States, and them talent I go use for the benefit of the United States. And that I got to them Jamaican architect there. I saw no box Jamaican people to the side and bring in foreigner because you're frightened. When you set a sell out, and oh gosh, I can't stand no. From neither of the party them, the two of them are the same friggin' thing, are the same set of people them. All you know do is pick which one of them are gonna sell you out. That's all you know pick. I can't believe this, man. I can't believe this. Like something as simple as building a building. Like when you done disgrace Jamaica, I put up be a toll road. I collect millions and millions and millions of dollars from Jamaicans. I send go foreign country. I make other people rich. Instead of make buy the equipment or rent the equipment and make Jamaican people build the friggin' highway them and learn to build the friggin' highway them. Bring in people come build it and collect and ring Jamaican people dry with toll. And that never enough for no. You have to go come build new government building. with a Chinese led team. Yo, no disgraceful man, you know make people shame. You know make people shame for call themselves Jamaican man. That you know want people, no want people shame for call themselves Jamaican. It's a set of disgusting people. I don't know where they come from, I don't know where them people that come from say are them a leader and them a this and them just I'm sick stomach man.